Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser extensions not working issues in 2026. If your extensions are not loading, crashing, or failing to respond, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, restart Zen Browser and try again. Temporary glitches can often stop extensions from working properly. Next, make sure Zen Browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues with extensions. Now go to the Extensions or Add-ons Manager and check if your extensions are enabled. Sometimes they get disabled automatically after updates. Next, disable and re-enable the extension that is not working. This simple refresh can often fix minor issues. Now remove any recently installed extensions, as they may be conflicting with existing ones. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies to remove corrupted data that might be affecting extension performance. Now try opening Zen Browser in a private or incognito window to check if extensions work there. If they don't, reinstall the problematic extension from the official add-on store. Next, disable other extensions one by one to identify if there is a conflict between them. Finally, if the issue continues, reset Zen Browser settings or create a new browser profile to fix deeper configuration problems. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Zen Browser extensions not working issues. Your extensions should now load and function properly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.